Hello friends, today we shall discuss divisibility by 4. The rule of divisibility by 4 is a number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits, that is, one sentence, is divisible by 4. Let us take some example. For example, let us take 212. I am taking 212. 200 212. Let us take one example, that is 212. Now the last two digit, we take 212, right? Here you see the last two digit is 12 and 12 is divisible by 4. 12 is divisible by 4. You see 12. If we divide 12 by 4, it will be 4 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12. Right? Therefore, you can say that 212 is also divisible by 4. Let us divide 212. 212 212 by 4. Right? Now 21. 4 5 is 20. 4 5 is 20. If we subtract it, we are getting 1 and 2, 12. 4 3 is 12. Therefore, we see that if a number has 3 or more digits, it will be divisible by 4 if the number formed by last two digit is divisible by 4. Right? Let us take another example. For example, I am taking 1936. Another number we are taking 1 9 1 9 3 6. Right? The last two digit is 36. Here you see the last two digit is 36. Now 36 is divisible by 4. 36 is divisible by 4. For example, 4 9 is 36. 4 9 is 36. Right? Therefore, this number is also divisible by 4. Right? Let us divide 1936 by 4. 1 9 3 6 by 4. By dividing this one, that is 4 4 is 16. If we subtract it, 9 minus 6 is 3. This is also 3. Right? Therefore, 4 8 is 32. 4 8 is 4 8 is 32. 32. If we subtract it, it is 1. It is 6. Again, 4 4 is 66. 4 4 is 16. 4 4 is 16. Right? Therefore, this number is also divisible. Right? So, if we take another example, suppose the number is 4612. 4612. 4. Take another example, 4 6 1 2. Since the last number, that is 12, is divisible by 4, that is 4 3 is 12, therefore this number is divisible by 4 also. Right? This number is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Let us take another example. Suppose 3516. We take another example 3516. 3516. Here you also see the last digit is 16 and 16 is divisible by 4. Therefore 3516 will also be divisible by 4. Let us divide 3516 by 4. We are dividing 3516 by 4. Right? By dividing 3516 by 4, that is 4 8 ja 32. 4 8 ja 32. Right? 5 minus 2 is 3. Subtracting this one, and this is 31. 4 7 ja 28. 4 7 ja 28. 4 7 ja 28. This is 28. 3 and 6. Here you see 4 9 ja 36. 4 9 ja 36. In the same way, we can say that if this is remainder 0, right? In the same way, we can take another example like 9532. 9532. We are taking 9532. The last number is 32, but for it 32 it is divisible. Therefore, 9532 is also divisible by 4. It is also divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Right? Now, we'll take another example. Suppose 284. We are taking 284. 284. Now, the last two digit is 84. Let us divide 84. If we take 284, last digit is 84. If we divide 84 by 4, 84 by 4, if we divide this one, 84 by 4, then we are getting 4 to the 8. This is 4. And 4 1 ja 4. 4 1 ja 4. Since this number is divisible by 84, therefore 284 will also be divisible by 4. Okay, let us divide 284. 284. We'll divide 284 by 4. Here you see we are taking 284. 284. We are dividing 284 by 4. Right? That is 4 7 ja 28. 4 7 ja 28. We divide. It is 4. 4 and 4 1 ja 4. Right? Right? Therefore, 284 is also divisible by 4. Let us take another example. Suppose 286. We are taking another example 286. 200, 286. Now we find 86. The last two digit is 86. Let us divide 86 by 4. 4 to the 8. If we subtract, we are getting 6. 4 1 ja 4. 2 is remainder. Here you see 2 is remainder. That means this is 86 is not divisible by 4, therefore 286 will also be not divisible by 4, right? That means 286 is also not divisible by 4. Let us divide 286 by 4. We are dividing here 286 by 4, right? We are dividing this number by 4. Let us take what we are finding. 4 7 is 28, 28, right? If we divide this subtracting, we are getting 6, right? Now 4 1 is 4, 5 6, 2 remainder, right? That means in the conclusion we can say that a number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits, that is ones and tens, is divisible by 4, right? You have to remember that with through if a number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number found by its last two digits, that is ones and tens, is divisible by 4. This is the divisibility rule of 4.